Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn featured section with Canva portfolio links step by step clearly. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Scroll down to the featured section. Click on the plus icon within the featured section. Select links from the drop-down menu. Open a new tab and log in to your Canva account. Locate the portfolio you wish to share. Click on the Share button in the upper right corner of your Canva project. Choose Copy Link from the sharing options. Return to your LinkedIn tab. Paste the Canva link into the URL field. Click Add to include the link in your featured section. Add a title and description to showcase your portfolio effectively. Review the link preview that appears. Make any necessary adjustments to the title or description. Click Save to finalize your updates. Check your profile to ensure the portfolio link displays correctly in the featured section. Congratulations, you have successfully updated your LinkedIn featured section with your Canva portfolio links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.